Hi everyone, in front of me I've got Samsung Galaxy Tab S10 Plus, and let me share with you how to allow unknown sources on this device. So let's begin with opening the settings, and here in this left section we have to find this section connected with the apps. So let's tap on it. Now 3 dots icon in the right upper corner, and in the middle we've got the option we're looking for, so let's tap on it. Now let's localize the option install unknown apps. And right here we've got the list of apps which are allowed or not allowed to install some content. Of course we can change it, just tap on the app and on the switcher on it. And from now on the Chrome in my case is allowed to install something. Be aware, because you're doing it on your own responsibility, you can also read it right here. Some third-party apps aren't verified by the developer, so you may put your data and actually whole device at risk. So really remember about that and choose the apps wisely. Of course, you can also remove previously granted permissions. Simply tap on the switcher, and from now on the Chrome is not allowed to install anything. Alright, so that will be all. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that this video was helpful, and if it was, please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.